What is that shit?
What is that?
Oh, you got no. That's DQ.
No, I don't.
Sorry, speech. Lavera's not. It's bull. That's bull. Bull technique. Bull technique. Dude, you got drink sparkling water.
So you gotta give each of them a tip.
Whoa! Okay, I'll pour water.
Equal amount. Like much.
Yeah, I got it. I'm pretty sure I paid €1 for my Chris, keep on. I get some more for
You
you.
don't even like sparkling water.
Whoa, no, it's sparkling.
He's already on the second burger there.
There we go.
I like the form.
You guys drink in competition.
Go, dude. You got it, go.
Ready?
Push it. There, oh, what to the stomach?
This is the fun side of Europe yet.
You're doing good. You're having a great time. No.
I want so many chicken burgers.
Oh, gosh. Oh, where's love? Keep going strong.
You gotta go.
How's that, man?
You eat a big chicken like 2 seconds? No. Doesn't get me chicken too that spicy too much? Oh, you're rocking buns after, eh?
Bunsen burner.
Look at that pussy fucking grab drink.
You got water there too.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
way up on you, man.
No, you don't matter. He'll slow down.
No, Chris is now. No, he's not. Chris is really.
Where's that burger and that burger?
Who's firing wrong, man? I don't know. I'm just quoting. Chris, you gotta keep going. You gotta keep on the pace. No, why did we all get out on this? I would have been down.
Because these two always battle. You get more faster. More.
I'm pretty full right now.
So horny. You guys want to drop that?
Oh, Chris, that was strong. Go, dude. Keep going. No,
You gotta finish that piece first.
Oh, pardon me.
Yeah, you gotta nice one finish that.
I am in Berlin. I'm so wasted. Chris, you gotta keep going, dude. The bear's almost caught up. Like he's at it.
If you guys quit, the Euros are coming back.
You gotta go. The bear's almost done. He's on his last burger home.
Yeah, eat the bread over there.
Drink water. Drink water with the bread. Water with the bread. Water with the bread. Dude, the bear's on his last burger. This is a race. So is Chris. But no race. Ray. One, two.
Oh.
I ate more than you before this.
I'm going to have to race. You gotta race it. You got, Go. Water, put it down. We're so fast. You are so fast. No, dude, you go win the race. You hear that? Look. Is this still filming?
Yeah, man, the whole time.
Go. Top, dude. No, you gotta keep going. Lavera feels good. Can you eat another? There's gonna be one more. No. One more before you came out here.
No. Finish it off, kid.
If you don't finish, I'll eat it before you and back. You don't finish it. What's in the word?
You're ugly, aren't you?
No, Lavera's gonna go. Go, Chris, go. Oh, big bite! Big bite!
No.
You gotta eat that. What?
I beat you. No, I fucking ate more before you. Fuck
No, you didn't.
I'm fucking gone.
No,
I
you
fucking
didn't.
ate
No,
more
you
before you.
didn't.
Oh, what do you eat? One fucking burger.
I had
Who
two
eats that?
burgers.
Yeah.
Two burgers.
Yeah,
One,
fuck
two,
you.
three. Winner, loser. I'm a loser.
Fuck you. Oh, it's
Your shirt. Yes, your shirt.
Your pants.
Oh,
my passport.
I am so cold. Let's get out of the state. Lavera, you finish, man. You stay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're shaking my hand.
Lavera, say something to the camera.
Well done, mate.
I won. That's great. He's a sore loser.
That was the coolest thing.
That was fucking so fun. How long was that?
Like 6 minutes.
Wow.